Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a photo in Google Forms. Google Forms allows you to add images to questions, answers, or directly into the form to make it more engaging and clear for respondents. To add a photo, start by opening Google Forms and go to any existing question, or you can create a new one. In the question field, you will see a drop-down menu where you can choose the question type, such as short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, or any option you prefer. After selecting a question type, click on File Upload and then click Continue to proceed. A new set of options will appear where you can toggle on allowing only specific file types if needed. Next, click the image icon beside the question field to add a photo. You can upload an image from your local device, use your webcam, or paste an image using a URL, and then choose the option that fits your needs. After selecting the image, click Insert to add it to your form. As you can see, the photo has been successfully uploaded to your Google form. After uploading, you can resize or align the image as needed to fit your form layout properly. Adding photos can improve understanding, especially for visual instructions or example-based questions. That's it. We've learned how to add photos to Google Forms, including inserting images directly into a form or attaching them to individual questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.